Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PBL TRM 5A01 Team 1 with the title PBL Website for Music and Audio Assets DGRs. Today we'll present our project. So the presenting members are me, Atia, Nirwana, Wahyu, Sanursan, and Safina. Okay, now I'll briefly explain our branding strategy. So Arsonos is a platform developed from DGRs that provide royalty-free music and sound effects for Polybatam students. The name comes from Ars and Sonus, meaning art and sound representing a creative space for audio creators. Our strength lies in focusing on Polybatam students' needs. The weakness is the limited music collection. The opportunity is raising awareness about licensing and originality, while the threat is competition with platforms like Artlist. Our target is Polybatam students through collaboration between TRM and CRPL. Key features include MP3 or WAV formats, premium UI, lecture curated content, and relevance to creative projects like films and motion graphic. The brand Arsonos highlights collaboration, flexibility, premium quality, and professional UX with a friendly, elegant, and accessible character for all students. The next presentation will be delivered by Sanursan.
Okay, thank you, Atia. I will explain about Drop logo. So here are the three types of logos that we have designed. The first logo represent not music. That second logo represent a sound web, and the third logo represent a vinyl. Next, testing logo. Testing logo. The following is the logo testing that we have done with the audience, where the audience prepared the third logo. Okay, next presentation will be explained by Sapina.
Okay, next is draft copywriting. For copywriting, we made two draft according to our persona type and target audience. Our target audience include Polybatam students suitable with a persuasive persona type. And the first formula we use is FAB, which describes the features and advantage of the project and emphasizes the benefit at- to attract customer. And next, the second formula we use is PAS, which is a persuasive copywriting that focus on the audience problems to emphasizes their needs by providing solution with product. And the rhetorical we use is slogan or tagline because it is easy to remember. And the tone of voice we use is semi-formal diction with a friendly tone mood and the use of you to create a sense of closeness because our target audience is a young college student. Next is interactive media draft. The goal of the Music Stock website project is to provide easily accessible license-free music stock for Polybatam student. Next, the interactive features that will be available on our website in the feature are the first is text, for example, for the CTA button, and the second is image, for example, on song cover and hero image, and third is audio, when audio played or music preview, and the fourth is animation. For example, button change color when we click. And finally, the interactive storytelling flow from this website. Next will be explained by Wahyu.
Okay, thank you. And here's our user persona. Based on data we collected, this website is meant to be provide easy access to royalty-free music. The main challenge is competing with famous platform while offering a convenient and efficient experience for students who often search for music on their project. Next, user experience, the empathy map. Based on data we collected from the Google form, user need clear UI elements, especially buttons, and features similar in other music websites to make our service more user-friendly. And next, this part of user experience, the information architecture. This show the website structure, a homepage before login, followed by the login page. After logging in, the user access the dashboard with section for music, sound effect, SFX, and account. Next is continuing UX section, the user flow. We have mapped the complete user flow, starting from the homepage, login process, dashboard navigation, access to music, SFX, and SFX packs page up to the account, menu, and logout. And next, the user experience, the task flow, building the user flow. This section details each touch of process the user completes step by step until finish. Next presentation will be explained by Sanur.
Okay, thank you, Hugh. Okay, I will explain about wireframe implementation. This is our wireframe design, created based on data and user requirement. We applied several design principles, including fit laws, the law of consistency, and Gestalt principles of continuity and similarity. Next slide. And this is our UI implementation with color and text box. All of this design still using design, law, and Gestalt based on the wireframe design. Okay, next presentation will be explained by Nirwana.
Thank you, Sandor. Now I want to explain about the exhibition rough concept. The exhibition feels innovation speaks technology from the root of the Nusantara, carries the theme of rural areas and technology. The next slide. This is an exhibition aimed to showcase the innovation of TRM and TRPL students for the need of the community. The exhibition feature a natural element with wooden texture, warm LED lighting, and soft electronic music to create a comfortable and modern atmosphere. The next slide. The quick fix board and post panel mood board serve a visual guide to maintain the theme, atmosphere, and aesthetic of the exhibition for the comfort and of visitor. The next slide. The committee structure. The committee include the core, event, documentation, public relation, equipment, decoration division, which we define roles to ensure a smooth exhibition. The next slide. This is an image of exhibition flow is display where the visitor pass through the innovation gate, explore the PBL booth, and chat clip and the collection table and write the impression of the guitar. The next person will be explained by Atia.
Thank you, Nirwana. So this table shows our risk mitigation. For example, to prevent crowding, we plan to control visitor flow and use rope barriers. Here's my portfolio draft. My strengths are adaptability, creativity, and teamwork. My weaknesses are low confidence, unstable time management, and losing focus when multitasking. The next slide will be delivered by Nirwana.
Thank you, Atia. My name is Nirwana. This is my portfolio, which consists of 3 items: a geometry poster, graduation testimonial video, and ribbon animation. Here are the strength and weakness that I have identified. The next person will be explained by Wahyu.
Okay, thank you. My name is Muhammad Widikri, and this is part of my portfolio draft with my strengths. I'm enthusiastic about learning many things. I can quickly adapt to any situation, and my weakness are I'm not consistent in learning things, so the results are not optimal. And sometimes my focus is easily distracted. Next presentation will be explained by Sano.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Sanursan. This is my portfolio. My strength always curious about many things and like adapting to new things. And my skill are still hard a bit work in communication. Okay, next presentation will be explained by Sapina.
My name is Safina, and here my portfolio draft. And my strengths are I'm pretty good at using Figma and AI software, teamwork, and attentive to detail in the final result. However, I have my several weakness, such as I'm still in process learning and I'm too much perfectionist, which makes me lost of time. And now I return it to Atia.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.